Welcome to Learn Yourself. Page number 143, question number 1. Which angle is included between the side DE and EF of triangle DEF? So this is our triangle DE and F. The best way to solve the example based on these triangles and geometry is always draw a rough triangle, confirm the side, angle and the property of a triangle, and then write an answer. DE and EF. So let us locate that side. We are talking about this side, DE and EF. So which angle is included between these two sides? So the angle is E. Question number 2. By applying SAS congruence rule, you want to establish the congruency between triangle PQR and triangle FED. So these are our triangle PQR, and another triangle is FE and D. It is given that PQ equals to FE. So PQ side is equals to FE and RP is equal to DF. So RP is equals to DF. What additional information is needed to establish the congruence? Now which congruence we have to establish here? SAS. That means we required side, angle and side. These three parts has to be equal in these two triangles, then only we can establish this congruence. We have two sides here. We already have two sides as per the question. We have to find out one angle. Now this angle has to be sandwiched between these two sides. So if this two side is there, then which angle is in between these two sides? Not this and not this. This angle is in between these two sides. So when we will say angle P and angle F, they both are equal to each other, then by SAS, side, angle, side congruence, these two triangle will be congruent to each other. Question number 3. Figure 7.24 measures of some parts of triangles are indicated by applying SAS congruence rule. State the pair of congruent triangles if any in each case. In case of congruent triangles, write them in symbolic form. So we have to first check that whether these two triangles are following SAS congruence or not. What is SAS? SAS is side, angle, side. So two side and one angle has to be congruent in between these two triangles. So let us write that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now we can locate here that AB and DE, they both are equal and they both are of 2.5 centimeter. So AB is equal to DE equal to 2.5 centimeter. So we got here one side. Another side is AC and DF. So AC is equals to DF. They both are equal to 2.8 centimeter. They both are equal. Now we need one more angle, and that is angle A and angle D, but their both measures are different. So angle A is not equal to angle D, and that's why SAS congruence is not established here. Second numerical, triangle ABC and triangle RPQ. We have to establish SAS congruence in these two triangles. So let us check. So here we are writing in above triangles. Here we are not writing name because we can see here they are not, the sides and angles are not exactly corresponding to each other. So name of the second triangle will vary. It will not be RPQ. So that we will discuss later when we are writing the name. Let us first establish the congruence. So here we can see that AC is equals to RP. So AC is equals to RP and they both are equal to 2.5 centimeter. The next is BC is equal to PQ. So BC is equal to PQ and they both are equal to 3 centimeter. Now we required angles which are equal to each other. So angle C and angle P. So angle C is equals to angle P and they both are 35 degree. So here these both triangles are congruent as per the SAS criteria. Now how we are going to write the name? So triangle A, C and B. And first I am taking the side which has a measure of 2.5 centimeter. So AC is corresponding to which side here? It is corresponding to RP. So I am going to write here RP. Now CB, the next side is CB. So CB is corresponding to PQ. So P is already here. So I am going to write here Q. So RPQ will be the name of our triangle. So is in congruence with triangle R, P and Q. Now let us check whether our name is correct or not. Here angle C is there. It is corresponding to P. So yes, our name is correct. We can write answer here that as per SAS criteria, this both triangle are congruent. Third numerical. So triangle DEF is here and triangle PQR is here. We have to establish SAS criteria and we have to see that whether these two triangles are congruent or not. In above triangles, let us check these two sides are equal. So DF is equals to PQ and they both are equal to 3.5 centimeter. The EF is equals to QR. EF is equals to QR and they both are equal to 3 centimeter. We required one more angle here, so that we have here that angle F is equals to angle Q and they both are of 40 degree. Now how we are going to write name? So triangle DFE. So DF has a 3.5 centimeter and it is corresponding to PQ. So let us write here first PQ because DF is equals to PQ. Now F is corresponding to Q. So yes, wherever the F is there, Q is there. So our name is correct. And which alphabet is remaining now? R is remaining. So we are going to write R here. So this is our correct name for the congruency that DEF is congruent to PQR. So now we can write that as per the SAS criteria, this both triangles are congruent. Fourth numerical. We have to establish here SAS congruence in two triangles. That first triangle is this and the second triangle is this. Triangle PQR and triangle PSR. So let us check what all sides are equal and angles are equal. First we can locate that PQ and SR, they both are equal. So in above triangles, PQ is equals to SR and it will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now, as we can see, this arm is common in between these two triangles. So we can write that PR is equals to PR because it is common in between two triangles. Now, we required one angle. We got two sides. So this is our angle, that angle P is equals to angle R and they both are equal to 30 degree. Now we got here side and angle. Now in between two sides, that this side and this side, this angle is there, and in between this side and this side, this angle is there. So SAS criteria is established here. This both triangles are congruent with each other. Now how to write the name and how to establish the congruency. So these are the two triangles as per given above. Now this angle P is in congruence with angle R of this triangle. Now here it will be little tricky because PR is common in these two triangles. Only Q and S are different. So first triangle we are writing name like RPQ in this manner. So first we are writing RPQ for this triangle. It is in congruence with. Now this P from the first triangle is in congruence with this R. So wherever the P is there, R has to come, and wherever the R is there, P has to come. And wherever the Q is there, S has to come. So that is how we have written the name, because as it suggests the figure, this P is in congruence with R. And this is little tricky because PR is common in both of this triangle. So that is how we have written the name, that RPQ is in congruence with PRS, because here we have to check the angles, that here this P is in congruence with R. So our answer is, as per SAS, triangle RPQ is in congruence with triangle PRS. Number 4. In figure 7.25, AB and CD bisect each other at O. Bisect means it is intersecting both at equal distance. So each other at O. This is a point of intersection. State the three pairs of equal parts in two triangles, AOC and BOD. These two triangles we have to check the equal parts. So first question's answer we are writing here, that in triangle AOC and in triangle BOD, let us check what all parts are equal here. So as per the given into the figure, that CO is equals to OD. So CO equals to OD, and it is given into the figure. Now next is AO is equals to OB. So AO is equals to OB, and this is also given into the figure. Now we need one angle to establish this criteria, that side, side and angle. So we can take this angle because this angle O is common for both of this triangle. So angle O is equals to angle O, obviously, because this is common for both the triangle. Now as per SAS, this both triangle are in congruence with each other, but we have answered the first question that three equal parts are side, side and angle. Now our second question, that which of the following statements are true? So let us check the first statement, that triangle AOC is in congruence with triangle DOB. Let us check that whether this side AO is corresponding to DO or not. So AO is corresponding to DO. So no, it is not, because this side and this side, they are not equal. And OC is OB. OC is this side and OB is this side. So these two sides are also not equal. So this statement is not true. So we can write here, above statement is not true. Now the second, triangle AOC is congruent to BOD. Let us check the side AO is congruent to BO. So AO is here and BO is here. So yes, they both are in complete congruence with each other. Now let us check the next side, that is OC and OD. So OC is this and OD is this. Yes, they both are equal to each other. So this statement is true. So the reason, if you want to mention, you can mention it like this, that AO is equals to OB and OC is equals to OD as per the figure. That's why the above congruency is correct. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.